All right. Go ahead.
Welcome, boys and girls, to another episode of Burbank High School Chemistry. And today, we are going to do what is called the double replacement / precipitation lab. As you guys either know by now or will know very soon, when double replacement reactions occur, sometimes one of the products will be a solid and precipitate out. Sometimes both the products will be solids and precipitate out, and you get two different colors. And sometimes neither product precipitates out, they just stay AQ, and you would get what is called no reaction, and it should stay clear. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do a bunch of miniature double replacement reactions on this grid here. And if you see one color precipitate, that means you have one of the products precipitate out. If you see two colors, most likely that means two precipitates. Both products precipitate out. If you see no change, if it just stays clear, means neither product precipitated. Okay? And it's a cool little lab. You see some really cool colors, maybe some gross colors. And what we really are going to do is, after we fill them out on here, and what you guys would normally do in class, is you would just write the colors that you see on this grid, and then with your teacher you go over the back side of this handout, right?
And do you have them name them?
On the back.
Yeah.
We practice names and formulas on the back, right?
Cool. So. And the only thing you pointed out was the middle one. We're not going to do the cyanate because...
Yeah, it's a complex ion. We don't even have that. Yeah.
Cyanide, dye.
Yeah, we're not going to do this middle one because that's kind of above your pay grade in this class. So.
All right. So here we go. I guess I'm just going to go left to right then.
Sure, you can go. The cool thing is you can go in any order you want.
I'm going to do the middle one and do
That's probably
a
not
star. No, okay. So sodium phosphate.
It's probably not advisable. All right. So yeah. Question is, where is
sodium phosphate? Very good. So a couple of drops at each spot.
So he's just going to go down. See, this is sodium phosphate right here, and he's just going to put two or more drops going down, and you can see it makes those cool little domes. All right. Just, yeah.
Two is probably enough. Yeah,
that's fine.
Oops.
Okay, there you go.
All right, we're good. And what the heck? Should we?
You want to be adventurous and go do all the downs first? Or go across? Here's KOH.
KOH, which is the second one. Okay.
KOH is the second one. So we're pretty much just setting everything up, right? We're just putting, but you can see how it works as you go.
All right. Okay. What's next? Oh, we're skipping the potassium and the cyanide.
And then
sodium carbonate.
And I see it right here.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so sodium carbonate, 2, 3, 4. Oops, 1, 2, 3. This was smaller drops for some reason.
Excellent.
Mm-hmm. Next, Ki. Thank you. Potassium iodide.
Can you guys answer, what gives it the yellowish color? Is it the potassium or the iodide? That's a good question. I've always wondered that. I always thought it was the iodide, but usually...
I would think because it's a bigger molecule. Usually it's the bigger, atom. Bigger atoms, you got the
ion, actually.
You got the dehybridizations and all that stuff.
And iodine is usually brownish color, isn't it? Kind of bluish.
That's true. The pure, yeah.
Or violet, almost violet brown.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Dark. Sodium oxalate, right? C2O4, is that oxalate?
Yes. Right there.
Thank you. This is not one of the ones we have to memorize. Well, maybe Honor does.
Yeah.
Do they?
I make them. Yeah, they hate that one. They don't. Well, they're good this year. They just have their list in front of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing too. This is the COVID year for Anybody who's watching years later. I'm sure this will be archived in the Smithsonian, right?
Sure,
Yeah.
one of these stars. All right, so now he's going to start going across. So he's going to add copper chloride, copper 2 chloride.
Cobalt, right?
I'm sorry, cobalt,
Yeah,
my
cobalt.
bad. You are correct.
Chloride.
This is the red one right here.
Thank you, sir.
And he's good now, and you will see as he drops the cobalt chloride, the double replacement reactions will go, and you'll see how many precipitates you get. Ooh, looks like you got one there.
Yeah, that's
One or
darker.
two there, yeah. You got a red and a purple.
Ooh,
Ooh,
there's a
look at
purple
that.
one.
Pretty.
Not so much with the
Yeah,
potassium
that stayed
iodide.
clear. Okay, look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah. So this one, what do you guys think? This one looks like no reaction. Didn't really do anything. It's
I think
clear.
Just the color change.
This one, and maybe the one on the end had at least 1 or 2 precipitates.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can even see a little bit of, what is that, like purplish?
Yeah, purplish. That's
But it's
really
clear
cool.
on the side. What the heck's that about? Okay. Next one, lead nitrate.
That one's on the end here.
Thank
And
you,
what
sir.
I'll do is I'll start clearing these away for you. You did this one. You did
Oh,
that
I
one.
have no memory whatsoever. Lead nitrate. Here's the lead nitrate. I'm gonna add a couple of drops again. 2, 3. Ooh, milky white. This one, same as this one. It looks like, oh wow, that's cool. So I think there were reactions with all 5 of those ones with the lead.
Yeah, oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That is a cool one right there. That you got a yellow precipitate there, and then you got a white one here.
White
one
here, white there. This one, you kind of had white, but
Kind of looks like an egg, part of an egg.
we'll add the special effects later. Copper sulfate. Here we go.
The editing room.
Yes. We'd just like to give thanks to the editors. Okay, so I'm going copper sulfate. Pretty much nothing there.
Nothing there, yeah. Stay
Just
clear.
kind of diluting that one. Maybe.
Maybe has some.
Maybe.
Ooh. Can we call that mucus brown? No, sorry, kids.
Mr. Smith, a bird
Yeah,
dumped on my...
that is an interesting color. I won't say it's a pretty color. I'll take care of that for you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Brown.
All right, iron nitrate. Thank you, sir. There was something in there. Iron nitrate. Oops. Nothing with the first one. Second one.
I got
Something.
Cool there.
Okay, we're gonna get a cool one with the iodine again.
Absolutely. Oh, excellent.
I don't know.
Now that last one, no reaction, but stayed clear. But that's cool.
Weird. There we go. And the next one is nickel chloride.
That's that green one right there. You've already done. Well, you haven't done this. Yeah, you've already done this. You've already done that one.
Nickel chloride. First one. So we had kind of a milky white. Actually, that one I'd almost say it's not now.
Yeah, it looks
First
like
one?
no change, but
These two, kind of the milky blue. No change there. And I'm not sure.
it's hard to say.
Yeah. All right, so now we're going to try strontium chloride.
All right, strontium and then silver. So you're done with this one.
Strontium. Definitely nothing there. Okay, we got a little bit of milkiness there as well with this one. With the iodine, nothing. And we got milky again with the, oops, sorry.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh no,
It happens.
interbreeding.
You double dipped.
Yeah,
Oh,
and nothing good can come out of that. Sorry. Okay, silver? Silver. Wow, we got like kind of a dirty yellow. And kind of a, I don't know, milky brown. That's a definite milky white. Oops, god darn it. That one I
looks
think
like
it actually
snot.
did, yeah. That's the official
Wow,
term.
look at that.
And that looks
Consistency
like
of snot. There you go.
milk.
All right, so
Hey, that came out pretty good.
Wow.
It's an array of colors.
it is an array of colors.
Should we take a picture?
Yeah.
I don't have my camera. I'll get it. Is that it?
That's it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, boys and girls, for joining us for another episode of Burbank High Chemistry. As you can see, we made some really cool colors. And again, these were all double replacement reactions, which are all done in water. And again, some double replacement reactions produce precipitates and some don't, and we will be looking at that in class. Okay, so thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your evening.